Montgomery, we have always built bridges, and the ford over the River Severn at Rhydwimen is one of the most important sites in Wales, where the Treaty of Montgomery was signed in 1267, creating Wales as a separate country with its own prince.
Croeso i Gymru! Croeso i Trafalgar! Good citizens of Montgomery, visitors to our historic town, and greetings to Hungary. We welcome you to our historic and beautiful town of Montgomery. Udfodl a Montgomery, Nagion Orulok, Pogi Megozas Dekiuk, Velitek, a Ginoruru, Estortenelemi, Varoshunka.
The town may look peaceful enough today, but the old former county town of Montgomery has a long, illustrious and sometimes bloody history. We are proud of our heritage and culture, castles, forts, jails, old timber houses and Georgian Town Hall. The Thursday Charter Market was established in 1227 and still runs today.
Good morning to Taste Montgomery. We are an organisation of local producers where everybody contributes something to the stall to the market on Thursday. Today we decided to do some Hungarian sweet snacks to celebrate the Hungarian Montgomery Day.
Famous poem written by János Aranya in the 1840s about the murder of 500 bards, and to make it safe for him he set this poem, of all places, in Montgomery, this little town.
Welcome to our 13th century church, St Nicholas. It was built just after the castle, and both buildings were whitewashed in order to show off how powerful the Normans were. There's lots of special things inside, but in particular there is the magnificent Herbert tomb. It shows that Magdalene and Richard Herbert, who are the parents of George Herbert, our famous metaphysical poet.
Bore da bawb, a chroeso yma I Drefaldwyn. Barry dwi, a dyma Richard, a dan ni'n rhedeg siop lyfrau yma yn Drefaldwyn. A dan ni'n gwerthu llyfrau yn y Gymraeg ac yn Saesneg hefyd.
As Mayor of Montgomery in 2011, I was privileged to attend the premiere of Carl Jenkins' Bards of Wales. We had a wonderful visit to Budapest and enjoyed the walking tours immensely. We look forward to welcoming you to our town of Montgomery, Trafalgar, and showing you the beautiful landscapes and buildings we enjoy.
Montgomery Varosh, Aish eg eis valis gar noi oi noich, Joch I waren gargoit serename, Toiba stolni neck. I bring you good wishes from the people of Montgomery. In 2017, as Mayor of Montgomery, I was honoured to be invited to the bicentenary ceremony for the poet János Arany. I was honoured to present posthumously the award of the Freemanship of Montgomery to János Arany. In return, the people of Hungary and Budapest in particular presented us with a plaque which we will proudly bestow in Montgomery for all to see in the future. We are honoured to be building bridges with the people of Hungary, and we send you the warmest wishes from the people of Montgomery.
Borada, Denise Sidi Vernui. Good morning, Denise is my name. Dwi'n cred agus with my post a Cafe Tieddo and Revaldwyn. I run the post office and the Ivy House Cafe in Montgomery.
Hello and greetings. My name is Hayden Andrew. I've lived in Montgomery all my life, and at the moment I am the current mayor of this beautiful town. And this is where we're going to site the Arany plaque close to the main visitor path to the castle, which is there.
Hello Hungary, welcome to Montgomery and Montgomery's oldest established business. This is an ironmonger's that was bought by my grandfather in 1892. It's a family run business, 4 generations now, and we hope you enjoy this short view of Montgomery.
We sont Blatter Straw in Montgomery.